Sometimes pulling a CV axle is quick. Other times, not so much. Rust, corrosion, and C-splines can turn a 30-minute job into a headache, unless you know a few tricks. If the axle is stuck in the hub, start with light, controlled taps using a dead blow hammer or brass punch. Avoid using a steel hammer directly on it though, it can mushroom the heads or damage the hub. If the nut is seized, soak it with some penetrating oil and clean up any exposed threads before applying torque. This will reduce the chance of galling or stripping anything. For axles that are stuck in the transmission or differential, use a pry bar or a CV axle puller tool. Get a clean angle and pop it free using short, controlled pressure. Never yank it sideways or use the axle shaft for leverage. Slide hammer kits with axle-specific adapters are great for rusted-in hubs. Just make sure that the threads are protected before attaching the tool to them. Once it's out, clean the hub bore and splines with a wire brush or emery cloth. If you don't, you're setting yourself up or the next tech up for the same problem again. Before reinstalling, add a light coat of anti-seize or silicone grease to the splines. Just a thin film, it'll make future service way easier without affecting torque specs down the road. So if you've got a stubborn axle giving you trouble, just use the right tools, take your time with the prep, and make sure the install's clean. It'll go a lot smoother and you won't be fighting it again down the road.